Chairman of the 5th Convocation of USCC, Honorable Chairman of the Bangladesh Accreditation Council, Professor Dr. Besbauddin Ahmed, Honorable Member of the University Grants Commission of Bangladesh, Professor Dr. Sajjad Hussain, Honorable Convocation Speaker, Professor Dr. Basli Ham, Mohammad Saud, President Multimedia University, Malaysia, Honorable Chairman of the Board of Trustees of USCC, Mr. Ahmed Iftikhar Islam, members of the Board of Trustees, Syndicate, Academic Council, distinguished guests, deans, faculty members, staff of USCC, members of the media, and last but not the least, our graduating students. Good morning and welcome to the 5th Convocation Ceremony of USCC. At the outset of my speech, I would like to express my heartiest respect to the Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and his personal physician, National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam, founder of USCC. This is my first address to the USCC Convocation as the Vice Chancellor, following my appointment on 15 June 2019. And so this occasion is as special to me as it is to our graduates. I am indeed very delighted to take part in this 5th Convocation Ceremony of USCC. The US University of Science and Technology Chittagong USCC is the first private university in Chittagong and second in Bangladesh, founded in 1992 by the National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam. Dear graduates, graduation is a major achievement whether you are marking the end of high school, college, or university. It is an end of an era, marks a big transition, making it is a bittersweet time for the graduates. Congratulations on reaching a wonderful milestone in your life. When you came to USCC, you joined a multicultural community of independent learners from many countries. You learned to take charges of your studies, to study online during COVID-19 pandemic situation and on the go, and to focus on your goals towards making you a skilled universal graduate fit for the 4th Industrial Revolution. And you did it all in your stays at USCC campus. Kudos for managing so well. We must regret that we are unable to host 5th Convocation of USCC on time due to many unavoidable circumstances, and also due to the pandemic-19 situation. Ladies and gentlemen, 8,975 graduates from both undergraduate and postgraduate level from Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, India, Pakistan, United Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, USA, Palestine, and Sri Lanka in the field of medical, pharmacy, biochemistry, biotechnology, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, electronic and telecommunication engineering, and social sciences and business administrations will be awarded degree in this convocation. I am really glad to share that it is the largest ever convocation held by USCC. You will be happy to know that USCC has 1,663 international students from 10 countries will be graduating in this convocation. 84 outstanding graduates of USCC from medical and non-medical group from 10 countries has been selected for Chancellor Gold Medal, Vice Chancellor Gold Medal, National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam Gold Medal, and Dean Silver Medal Award. Honorable distinguished guests, the university has 500 bed teaching hospital for medical, pharmacy, and bioscience and is equipped with the modern teaching and research laboratories, including microelectronics VLSI design lab, web technology, soft computing lab, renewable energy lab, artificial intelligence, robotic and space technology lab, smart agriculture lab, bioinformatics and molecular dynamics simulation lab, Center for Advanced Biomedical Research lab, animal experimental lab, brain-computer interface lab. Recently, we have introduced new programs on public health and biochemistry and molecular biology. So we are going to start programs on biomedical engineering, mechatronics and industrial engineering, courses on cybersecurity, drone technology, smart agriculture, digital pathology, robotic surgery, renewable energy and management, silicon Wi-Fi from SETS, and green hydrogen energy from seawater using solar energy. USCC has established National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam Center for Fourth Industrial Regulation for focusing on inclusive technology governance and responsible digital transformation towards the achievement of the creation of a skilled manpower for Bangladesh Vision 2041, under which in 2020 USCC organized different international conferences such as International Conference on Fourth Industrial Regulation in collaboration with UTP Malaysia, International Collaboration on Artificial Intelligence for Healthcare, jointly organized by the Multimedia University Malaysia, American University Malta in 2020. International Conference on Computational Intelligence and Machine Learning in collaboration with the UTM Malaysia in 2021. International Conference on Pharmaceutical Science 2023 in collaboration with the UKM Malaysia in 2023. In addition to that, to fulfill the desire of the National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam, USCC authorities established USCC Research Cell with an aim and objective to engage the scholars, both of teachers and students, in researches that exchange go beyond the classroom and around the globe by providing adequate financial and technical support. Recently, USCC and Multimedia University Malaysia has started joint basic grants research program through their respective research cells. Again, to promote academic quality culture within the university, USCC has its own institutional quality assurance cell, IQAC, and has been intensively working with the active cooperation and support of the Ministry of Education, University Grants Commission, Bangladesh Accreditation Council. Program level rank Bangladesh Accreditation Council accreditation took US ranking has been targeted to be the prime task of the IQC in the coming days. To aid the learners in the storehouse of knowledge, the university runs a digital library along with all library facilities. The implementation of a smart classroom at USCT has been implemented, and with this case, the USCC stands out among other universities with its built-in IT infrastructure. In the case of national international collaboration, USCC has broad partnership with leading universities around the world for academic and research collaboration like UTP Malaysia, UK Malaysia, UTM Malaysia, MMU Malaysia, USI Malaysia, IIUM Malaysia, Taylor University of Malaysia, and University de Costa Rica, National University of Maldives, Assam Agricultural University of India, with activities such as faculty and student exchanges, joint basic grant research projects. At national level, USCC have made academic and research collaboration with the Premier University Chittagong, Sivasho Chittagong, BCSIR Bangladesh, NIB National Institute of Biotechnology Dhaka, and Asian University Forum in Chittagong. USCC regularly organizes community health camp, school coding camp, regional robotic competition, etc. as a part of a student outreach program. USCC students show growing interest in robotics and innovation, such as joining in the Yantra International Robotics Championship in Nepal. USCC Algos robotic team has become champion, beating India's IITs in 2020. USCC CSC team secured 10th position in Kibo Robotic Programming Contest, a joint program of NASA, MIT, and JAXA, Japan. Ordo, a final year student of CSC USCC, secured first position in logo design for JAXA, Japan in 2020, beating contestants from 14 countries, and now it is the official logo of JAXA, Japan. There are more such success stories, surely many more to come. Honorable guests and dignitaries, I am delighted to share with all of you that Ministry of Education of Bangladesh has issued the permanent charter certificate in favor of USCC, which is a great achievement for all of us. I am also delighted to share that the USCC authority has declared this campus as net zero carbon campus by 2025 through renewable energy. Our vision and plans for this sustainable development